Will multinational companies uproot their manufacturing bases in China post-pandemic? Well, it's unlikely. Let's have a look why. It's not news that some labor-intensive manufacturing has been leaving China in the past few years, mostly heading to Southeast Asia, as China continues to move up the global value chain. Through its vast investment in technology and industrial upgrading, China has ramped up its supply chain advantages in sectors including smartphones, Internet of Things, and artificial intelligence. And these suppliers are known for their efficiency, technological sophistication, and diligence. Manufacturers benefiting from China's supply chain advantages are staying. The COVID-19 pandemic has fueled concerns about the world's reliance on Chinese-made products, with some envisioning a mass exit. But China is part of a globally integrated and interrelated supply chain that works as a whole unit to produce goods to be distributed all over the world. When a crisis hits, whether it's a virus or not, no single part of the global supply chain can remain unaffected. Wherever a manufacturer chooses to move its production, there can be unexpected problems. Avoidance is not the solution. Cooperation is. Transferring production and building a sophisticated supply chain in another country, it's not like packing a suitcase and upping and leaving. Manufacturing relocation is easier said than done. Even at the height of China-US trade tensions, a survey of American businesses in China in late 2019 revealed that 87% said they would not relocate and had no plans to relocate any of their activities. In an April survey of Japanese businesses in South China, about 90% said they had no plans for moving production. Actually, the fight against COVID-19 may have been a window for multinational executives to evaluate the Chinese government's ability to handle a crisis. Anybody smell burning? When there are flames in the kitchen, the last thing you want is someone flaming about blaming others. What you want is that fire to be put out as fast as possible. With the virus largely contained in China, the government has moved quickly to get the economic engine up and running again by bringing workers back to factories, getting logistics flowing, and calibrating a reopening. Most importantly, and making sure it is done safely. Non-finance foreign direct investment on the Chinese mainland surged 11.8% year-on-year in April, which is another sign of companies' confidence in China despite the COVID-19 pandemic. To find out more about how China's manufacturing sector is getting back to work, read China Daily.